Okay, Cam, these are just images, but and you'll notice that the phone numbers are all wrong, so don't ignore all of that. But you can see how it'll look on there. This can either be that height of a talking about the slideshow. I know you can't see my arrow, but where it says Summer Collection, that can be of any height that we want it to do, and we'll have an animated slideshow that can have hyperlinks to different products and is easy to use. So I think that's a good one. We're thinking on a banner for both the special promotions and the promotional products and merchandising and stuff, and then you go into buttons that go into categories. So these will go to a page on caps, on jackets, shirts, vests, etc., in all the products that you have, and they'll go into a category page. It just looked like the best way to navigate. Also, the navigation down the bottom, the same thing. Contact details, navigation at the top. So there's three ways to navigate into it, and there's a search function on it. So that's that. I'll just find the next page. So we'll go into the next page, which is jackets, which is this one. This page here. So this is what, when you go into a category, it brings you into a page about jackets, and then there'll be links to each type jacket. So it'll be much like a shopping cart, and you'll have the same for all your other categories as well, whether it be embroidery products or promotional products or whatever. They'll go in, and it'll be a nice little slideshow we can have, and then the buttons into the individual products, and these can either scroll or it can just be a continuing line of products that they'll be able to see. When they click into a jacket, you will see this sort of a setup, and we can work on this a little bit more. So you'll have a gallery, you'll have all the details of it, and pricing is optional. I know you don't want that there, so that can easily just either be a contact form, a button that goes to a contact form, or whatever else we want it. Now, the way of doing it this way is I'll have this set up so it will be a standard format. So you will just go in, load your images up, and it'll automatically format like this, and then put in your details. So your title, it'll look exactly like that, and then all the other details that you want in there, all your sizes as well. So it'll automatically format every single page to look exactly the same, nice and uniform and nice and neat. The only other thing is your contact page. I'm unsure if you want your address on there or your location, but it can be whatever you want it to be, contact form, and all the other details that we needed. So that's it. We can expand that menu as much as we want. We can open up that home page and add to that as well. So it's going to be a really easy to use, flexible site, which I think looks good as well. I hope you like that. Cheers.